Hello guys, my name is Stefani Bella Efratania with student number 1812119, and I will demonstrate how to use my learning media. So this is all of my learning media. Consists of cards with different colors and symbols, and there are also question cards which represent the question that we are going to do with points attached to it. And there are also cards like explanation, rules, and how to play. In the explanation card, there are colors and symbols which represent the parts of speech that shown by the back of the cards. So there are nouns, article and determiner, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition, pronoun, and interjection. And next, we are going to play this learning media without the rule. So first you have to choose one question card, put it in the middle, and then we are going to construct a sentence using this arrangement. So we are going to construct a sentence using pronoun, verb, preposition, article, and a noun. First, we are going to choose a pronoun, she, and then take one verb, run, preposition, two, one article, and one noun, room. She ran to a room. So this is how you play it without using a rule. Then I'm going to explain the rules and how to play it. So first, this game can be played for 2 until 5 people. Each player will have 8 cards on their deck, 7 cards based on their choice, and 1 interjection card. You can choose to draw 1 card or not in every round. Interjection will act as a point booster. If you add it to your sentence without make it sound funny, you will get plus 10 points. If there is no card left in your deck, you are considered finished playing. And last, player who gets the highest point is the winner. And how to play this? First, group the cards by the color and symbol. Don't forget to shuffle it. Then arrange your own deck. Please choose it wisely. Take one question card and put it in the middle. Try to construct a sentence following the arrangement of symbols in question card using cards on your deck. Then the player or players with the most complete arrangement will get the points listed on the cards. So let's play. So we are going to arrange our card first. First, I'm going to choose one adverb, two adjective, two noun, one article, and one verb. And you have to choose one interjection. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards. So you can choose your cards based on your taste. You don't have to follow my arrangement of cards actually, because it's up to you which card you want to choose. So you can choose all nouns or all preposition, it's up to you. So you have to take one question card and put it in the middle. So the question is, you have to construct a sentence using adverb, article, adjective, a noun, and a verb. So let's start. Since I already have adverb, yesterday, some evil families live. So this is my sentence. Yesterday some evil families live. And since I want to make it sounds funny, I want to add interjection. Oh. So, yesterday some evil families live. And since it doesn't sound weird, I'll take this point. 15 plus 10. So I have 25 points for one sentence. And then next, the question is, an article, adjective, and a noun. Let's start. Okay, since I don't have any article, I will choose one article. I will draw one card. So in every round, you only allowed to draw one card only if you don't have that card. So that. And then adjective, cute. And a noun is driver. So my sentence is that cute driver. Okay, that cute driver. So I'll get 5 points using this sentence. So that's all. Since I don't have any cards left on my deck, so I'm considered finishing playing. So that's all of my demonstration. I hope you enjoy my explanation. Don't forget to leave feedback and comments. If you have any question, just drop it in comment section. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.